Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin C gel cream. Start with clean, dry skin and a gentle cleanser to remove oils and debris. Dispense a pea-sized amount onto your fingertips and warm it between your hands. Gently press and smooth the gel cream over face and neck, avoiding eyelids. Allow absorption for a minute before layering sunscreen or other serums to ensure proper protection and effectiveness. Timing matters when using vitamin C gel cream for best results. Apply once each morning to protect skin from daily oxidative stress, and consider a second application at night if your skin tolerates it. After cleansing, wait for toners or essences to absorb before applying the gel cream. If you use retinoids or strong acids, introduce vitamin C slowly and monitor for irritation to keep your routine balanced and effective. Small habits boost the performance of vitamin C gel cream over time. Keep the product in a cool, dark place to maintain stability, and always patch test before full face use to check for sensitivity. Use a pea-sized amount and avoid mixing with incompatible strong acids at the same time. Finish your morning routine with broad-spectrum SPF to lock in benefits and prevent new sun damage while maximizing brightening effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.